Now what is the second way? The second way is by the theory of cause and effect. What is this theory of cause and effect? So for everything there is a cause. Like I have given 3 examples here. Number 1, now we are just sitting and discussing here, suddenly one arrow passed by, zoom. So the arrow just moved in front of me, and we also see puppet show, right? I think all of you know what is puppet show. So there are some toys, dolls, so you cannot see the person who is actually playing these toys because they stand or sit behind the screen. So in front of the screen they play with the thread, and the puppets, the toys dance, they act, they do all those things. So this is the puppet show. So what is the effect? The puppet show. Now there is a rotation of the fan. So fan is rotating. So these are the 3 things: arrow, puppet dancing, and fan rotating. So now if the effect is the movement of the arrow, zoom, then what is the cause? An archer who has shot the arrow. If arrow comes in front of me, I cannot say arrow came by chance. If movement of the arrow is the effect, what is the cause? If in front of me an arrow comes, it is understood that there is some archer who has shot the arrow. That is the point. So effect is the arrow and cause is an archer. Now if the effect is the movement of the puppets, puppets are dancing very nicely, and who is making the puppet dance? The puppeteer behind the screen. So the effect is the puppets dancing and the cause is the puppeteer behind. Now the third example, if the effect is the rotation, the movement of the fan, then what is the cause? It is electricity. The moment you switch off the button, the plug point, then immediately the fan stops. Getting my point? Now the most interesting part. Similarly, if the effect is the movement of the growth of the plant, you sow a seed, a plant, the seed becomes a sapling, then a plant, then tree. Right? You sow a mango seed, a mango tree comes and you get mango fruit, and this is the effect. And sun always rises in the east, sets in the west. Rises in the east, sets in the west. You never see sun rising in any other direction. So then what is the cause? If the effect is the sunlight, then what is the cause? The sun. If effect is the sunrise, then what is the cause? If effect is the movement of the plant and becoming a tree, then what is the cause? And that is God. So this is the theory of cause and effect. What is the effect in this world? Everything is going on in perfect, precise order. Although I may not be able to see the cause, there is a cause, and that cause is God. Now when the fan is rotating, I may not be able to see the electricity. If I ask you, do you see electricity? No. But we believe it. The moment the fan stops working, immediately I say electricity is gone. Right? So similarly, if the effect in this world is such a precise organization, organized way of working, then the cause is God. Now let us see the third way to see God. Now we can see God by serving Him. Through service we can see God. Let me give you another example to understand this. The question, many people say, I will believe God, first show me God, whether God exists. If I can see God, then I accept God exists. Yes, we can see, I can see the Prime Minister provided I do something for the country, something for the Prime Minister. So then Prime Minister would like to see me and meet me. So that is why, so Ramanujacharya, a great saint, very beautifully explains this point, that do not try to see God, but serve in such a way that God wants to see you. So now the point here is, can we see God with our blunt material senses, this charma chakshu? God is spirit, we are matter, these eyes are made up of matter. So with this matter, can I see God? Not possible. So then why anyone wants to see you? Only when you do something special for him. When we devote our time, energy, attention towards Him, then He would like to meet me and see me. So, can we see God? Yes, in three ways. What are those three ways? Number one, through Shabda Praman. Number two, through the theory of cause and effect. And number three, through service to Him. So, I will conclude with last point. Do not try to see God and serve Him in such a way that God wants to see you. If God wants to see me, how long it will take? Just like that. If I want to see God, life after life after life, I have to keep trying, keep struggling to see God, which is an impossible thing to do. Thank you very much.